So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and I was immediately intrigued. She had seen it all over TikTok and was raving about the difference it had made in her daily routine. As I started digging into it, I realized why the gelatin trick had blown up on the platform. It's ridiculously simple, using just gelatin and water to create a ritual that can help you wake up feeling more refreshed. People love that it's not some fancy product or expensive supplement, just a basic ingredient you can find in most grocery stores, which is probably why the gelatin trick has been shared millions of times. As I looked deeper into the gelatin trick, I saw how it was being used by all sorts of people: athletes, busy professionals, and even parents trying to get their kids to develop healthier habits. The gelatin trick seems to be one of those things that just resonates with people, maybe because it's so easy to incorporate into your daily life. If you're curious to learn more about how to make the gelatin trick work for you, I've got a link in the description below that dives deeper into the details. Check out the pinned comment for some tips from our community on how to get started with the gelatin trick and make it a sustainable part of your routine.